How to fix horizontal lines on iPhone screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix horizontal lines on iPhone screen. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there are two reasons why this can occur. First is your software related issue, which can be fixed by yourself. The other is hardware related. So let's first watch how you can fix the software related version of this issue. So here, first step you'll need to do is open up your settings. On your settings, go to general, and on your general, check if your software is up to date to its latest version. Check, and if it's not, simply update your version. After you've done that, your software update comes with bugs, fixes, and patches. So that should fix the issue if that is what's causing the issue. So that's the first thing. The second is come here to General again, then head over to Transfer Reset iPhone on the bottom. Tap on it, then tap on Reset. Then reset all of your settings. We are just doing this in case. So just after you've done that, what you can do is restart your iPhone. To restart, you can simply force restart. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After that, your iPhone will restart and that should fix the issue. If that doesn't fix the issue, it's most probably due to a hardware related stuff. So just go to your nearest service store and get your iPhone checked. And doing that should fix the issue. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.